Just one simple yoga exercise is what I bring to you today to finally get rid of your belly fat, that jiggling belly, and get a slim waist. Finally, it's so easy, so doable. It's completely, absolutely up to you whether you want to lose your belly fat or not. And if you do, you swear that you're going to do this exercise along with me every single day. Enough of making excuses and feeling the burden of not being able to wear your favorite clothes, not being able to look a certain kind, and always wanting to achieve that slim waist, which is actually 28 or 30 inches. So if you have a big waistline, these very yoga exercises are going to help you, because I bring to you one simple exercise which is in 3 variations: beginner, intermediate and advanced level. Start with the beginner friendly level and move on to the intermediate, and then finally you can do the advanced level. And now I bring to you this exercise because yoga is an ancient science. It is embedded in Indian culture to find wellness and all the causes of our problems in yoga, and that's what we happen to do in India. We follow all these exercises on a daily basis for our overall well-being, for our mind, body and soul, which will work in unison, and finally you will actually start seeing results. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin these exercises. But you need to keep in mind, before you do any of the yoga exercises, you have to give yourself about 2 hours before any big meal. So it is thoroughly advised to only exercise early in the morning whilst you're already on an empty stomach. Let's begin. So I'm going to show you the beginner level right now, which is so easy. The intermediate and advanced level is all about being in a seated position, which many people are not able to master. So let's start with the beginner level. So for the beginner level, first of all, you have to stand with your shoulders absolutely straight, pushed back, your core tight, your spine straight, and your feet more than shoulder width apart. So this is the distance you have to maintain. Now you have to make a position like this, which is a namaskar position. No bending your elbows, they have to be absolutely straight. Go all the way down. Let's make a big circle. Inhale when you're going back, exhale when you're coming down, and that completes one round. So you have to follow this and just complete as many reps as you can within 1 minute span. Let's do it together. Now let's go in the other clock position, like this. Just be slow and steady, no fast movements. You don't want to feel dizzy. Just make sure you're targeting each and every muscle around your belly area. I can feel it all along my lower belly, upper belly, side belly, the love handles. Now let's move on to the next level, which is the intermediate level. Now this is just in between the beginner and the advanced level. So I'm sure you can do it, because all you need is a chair. Now it's very simple. Again, you have to spread your legs more than shoulder width apart, which is about 2 arms distance. Keep your spine straight, your core tucked in tight, and your shoulders should be absolutely straight. Now we're not going to come in this position. We're actually going to put our hands over here. And now we're at the edge of the chair. We have to go down, make a big circle, just like this, and go as backwards as you can. Keep your balance and just go slowly, make a circle. First we're going to do clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Let's do it together. my God, this is such a great exercise. I could actually feel the stretch all along my love handles, the lower belly and the upper belly. Now let me show you the advanced version. So now for the advanced level, what you need to do is spread your legs as wide as you can while you're seated on the floor. Make sure it is a hard base. If you have a yoga mat, put a yoga mat on the floor, or if you can do it on the bed, that's fine, but your bed also should be a hard mattress. Now keep your spine straight and you will have to go all the way out there. Keep touching your toes, make a big circle if you can and come back. But while you're going forward, you have to exhale. Like this. And then when you're going back, you have to go as back as you can. So you're not just making a circle with your arms, but you're also making a circle with your torso. You have to make a circle like this and a circle like this with your arms. So this is a very, very beneficial exercise for your entire body fat, not just your side handles, your love handles, your lower belly, upper belly, but even your legs. Let's do it together. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed doing these very exercises, because that's exactly what my channel is for, to bring forth such exercises which are super easy, super doable, completely beginner friendly, can be done in the comfort of your own home. So if you like my video, don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this very video with as many people as you can, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you soon with many more amazing videos next week. Until then, take care.